Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to apply for an Affirm card in 2025, you've come to the right place. Affirm is a popular buy now pay later service that helps you split payments for purchases without hidden fees, making it easier to manage your finances. In this full guide, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can get approved quickly and start using it today. First, let's cover the basics. Before you apply, check if you meet the eligibility requirements. You'll need to be at least 18 years old, have a valid U.S. address, a checking account, and a good credit history. It's smart to pull your credit report beforehand to see where you stand. Once you're ready, start by visiting the Affirm website or downloading their app from the App Store or Google Play. Create a free account by entering your email, setting a password, and verifying your phone number. This only takes a minute or two. Now, for the application. Log into your account and navigate to the Apply for Affirm Card section. You'll need to provide personal details like your full name, date of birth, social security number, and income information. Double-check everything for accuracy to avoid delays. Affirm uses this to assess your application quickly. After submitting, Affirm typically reviews your application in minutes. If approved, you'll receive a virtual card instantly for online use, and a physical card will arrive in the mail within a week. Keep an eye on your email for updates. A few quick tips. Read the terms carefully to understand interest rates and payment plans. Only apply if you're confident in your finances. And remember that 2025 might bring new features. Always check the official Affirm site for the latest info. That's it for the guide. Applying for an Affirm card is straightforward and can be a game changer for your shopping. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.